Hi, I'm Mike Fandel,
And I'm Mike McGinty.
and we're from Emerson Swan. We're here today to talk to you a little bit about the Ariston HTP Elite Ultra Boiler and Combination Domestic Water Appliance. Ariston an Italian manufacturer of boilers and heating components, has over 7,000 employees, one of the largest boiler manufacturers in Europe. They are also the largest water heater manufacturer in the world. They saw an opportunity several years ago, back in 2017, to partner with a U.S. company, HTP, and enter into the U.S. market. We're here today to talk about the Elite Ultra Boiler and Combination Appliance for domestic hot water. So Mike, why don't you tell us a little bit about some of the new equipment that's out there and what's coming?
Okay, thanks, Mike. And what I want to also go over that I think is a great point here is that Ariston makes 95% of the parts that are in this. Also, by making the parts, they control the quality, which is huge. The other thing is that they have a Taco ECM pump included in the package, made from Taco Italia, and they work directly together. Now, as far as sizes of the boilers, we have 2 boiler sizes out currently and 2 combi sizes. The 2 boiler sizes are 85 and 120,000 BTU input, and the combi sizes are 120 and 150,000 BTUs. What we have coming up at the end of August and early September, we will have 2 more boiler sizes, the 155 and the 199, and also 1 more combi size, which will be the 199. So Mike, there's 100 things we could talk about in this boiler.
There is, but you know what, we could spend all day talking about that, Mike. So why don't we just focus on the top 10?
Sounds like a great idea. 10, warranty. The warranty for parts is 5 years. The warranty for the heat exchanger will be 15 years to the original homeowner with online registration.
Number 9, all of our equipment comes set up for natural gas. But in each and every one of our appliances, we provide you with the LP conversion kit with the LP orifice already installed in our polyduro fitting.
Number 8, easy to service. The heat exchanger can come out with 4 bolts, disconnect the gas valve, and this pulls out, and it's easy access to clean the heat exchanger here. Also, at the bottom here is where a lot of the parts are. There's the gas valve that's easy to get to for adjustments. The pump's right here. There's an air pressure switch in the back there that we can adjust. There's a 3-way valve. And up here, we can purge it here easily. And as far as the electronics of it all, we have our Wi-Fi board right here. We have a connection board here with the low voltage connections and the line voltage connections. This particular unit has a plug, so it pretty much plugs right in the wall. Easy.
Number 7, similar parts for all models of equipment. What Ariston and HTP designed into this piece of equipment is they utilize the same sensors across all models. They utilize the same control board across all models. We have parts kits available that helps a contractor be able to service all different sizes of our equipment very simply and easily with some of the same components across all the lines.
Number 6, sealed cabinet for quiet operation. 40 decibel noise level. These units come with a muffler. This is the muffler right here. It's attached to the intake of the blower fan. And what it is, it has insulation in it. And the number one thing, I've started about 30 of these boilers with different contractors, and all of them have mentioned how quiet this runs, how quiet it starts. So all 8 Ariston boilers come with the muffler system.
Number 5, efficiency. Ariston and HTP designed this piece of equipment to have an AFUE rating of up to 96%. Also, to add efficiency to the equipment, they partnered with Taco Italia and added an ECM circulator.
Number 4, turndown ratio, 11:1. What does that mean? That means high fire on a 120,000 BTU boiler is 120,000 BTUs. Low fire is around 10,005. Why is that important? That's important because it limits the short cycling. These boilers will run on multi-zone systems with no problems.
Number 3, the Extratech heat exchanger by Ariston. One of the manufactured components, the beating heart of the system. Water tube heat exchanger, 150% larger design than our leading competitors. What does that do for you? It lowers the pressure drop, smaller pumps, better flow, better heat exchange, less likely for the system to clog up on you. Great design.
Number 2, vent runs. There's a 2-inch piece, CPVC piece that comes with the boiler. You put that on the exhaust. The exhaust can run, if you run 2-inch, up to 100 feet. The intake could either go on the left or the right side. That could be 2-inch. That could go 100 feet. That's a total of 200 feet of 2-inch. Now you can upsize it to 3-inch. And if you go with 3-inch, you can go 150 feet on the intake and 150 feet on the exhaust.
Number 1, HTP Link built-in Wi-Fi. This unit has the ability for the homeowner to be able to access the operation of the boiler and see what's going on.
Contractors have the ability, once they sign up, to receive notifications and have the ability to call in when there's an issue. Mike, well, that was the top 10. That was a great top 10.
That was a phenomenal features and benefits of what HTP and Ariston can bring to the table to help you, as a contractor or homeowner, heat your homes.
And if you want more information on this boiler, there's a lot of great videos on emersonswan.com website.
Thanks.
See ya.